So let's talk about different perspectives and what happens with dependencies and how we approach it, because it's not just the research and development standpoint that we look at.
We look at a lot of different perspectives. So in helping teams to make decisions or to help the portfolio stakeholders to make decisions, we're looking at a lot of different perspectives. If we have a composition of a portfolio, we want to look at the revenue, the potential future revenue of that portfolio. Can we meet our targets? What's the cost implications? Can we afford to develop this portfolio that we have selected? And can we meet targets in terms of a number of new product launches, that we're covering certain disease areas, might be part of our corporate strategy, not just the R&D strategy. And we want to be able to answer all of those questions. And so when we're making a decision about a portfolio or an asset, it's important to look at a lot of different perspectives: revenue, cost, risk, value, volume of projects in different phases of development. It's a lot of things to look at. And we try to kind of bring all of that together into a composite view where you can look at one of these, and we also have metrics that take into account all of them. And so they are sort of composite metrics such as NPV, ROI, take into account all of these things.
That's great. That's great. So from a financial standpoint, meeting the goals that are set forth in terms of it could be something as simple as product launches. We have this goal and we want to hit it. So we can take a look at that in a very dynamic way.
Yes, absolutely.
Through dependencies. That's great.
Yeah. So we can start with a high-level metric or high-level metrics, and we can compare different compositions of a portfolio or different development paths in an asset and look at the high-level metrics. And then we can break that down into what does that mean in terms of revenue, what does it mean in terms of costs, number of projects, and so forth and so on. So we want to look at this at different levels, and we want to look at a lot of different perspectives, not just the financials.